TING.
And I'm Fuziyin. We are from SMK Dato'Sheikh Ahmad Secondary School.
Today, we are going to do some experiment about how to make a walking rainbow,
How to make a rain,
and how to make a thunderstorm. Nowadays, the weathers are very hot. So, how can we do to solve these problems?
we can do an experiment by making the rainwater.
But how we can do this experiment?
Now let me teach you. First, pour the hot water until a quarter of the jar. Then put the plate on top of the jar. And we must wait for a minute. The ice on top of the plate. Now let's see the changes.
Wow, it was raining, but why will it happen?
The cold plate causes the moisture in the warm air, which is inside to condense and form water droplets. It is same with atmosphere. Warm, moist air rises and meets colder air. The vapor condense and form precipitation that falls down.
The first experiment is done.
The second experiment is walking rainbow. I enjoy seeing the rainbow very well, but it has been a long time haven't rained.
I have an idea. We can make an experiment about walking rainbow.
Wow! Is it really?
Yes?
Let's do the experiments.
We need to prepare small plastic cups, food coloring in primary color, paper towels, and water.
To start the experiments, we must wear the glove as safety precaution.
Let's start our experiment. First, place the 7 cups in a room. And pour the water into the cups. The water are about 3/4 of the cup. 你觉得快不了？
不用，不要叫他们。还是你要快点做，我们再看一下。
Put 1/2 of a rolled paper towel to the first cup and place the other half in the cup next to it. Then other paper towels from second cups and into the third cups. This continues until you have placed the last paper towels that drops over from the 6 cups to the last cup.
我就讲了啊。就是我看那个嘛。
Wow, it was amazing. How was it happens?
The water appears to defy gravity, but in reality it moves because of a process called capillary action. The adherent forces between the water and the paper towels are stronger than the cautious forces inside the water. As a result, the water travels up and across. Our next experiment is how to make a cloud in a jar. I saw a video about how to make a cloud in a jar on YouTube. It's so amazing.
Wow, let's do it together.
Okay,
First, we need to prepare spray, a jar with a lid, ice and hot water.
first, pouring the hot water into a jar. Stir it around to warm the sides of the jar.
Next, put the lid upside down on the jar. Then, add some ice cubes on top of the jar.
Spread a little bit of hairspray into the jar. And then replace the lips with ice still on top. Watch the cloud form.
When you see a good amount of condensation form, remove the lid and watch the cloud escape from the air. Wow, it's amazing.
Let's explain why would this happen.
By pouring hot water into a jar, trapping it, you have created warm, moist air. As the warm air inside the jar rose, it was then cooled by the ice on top of the jar. When the water vapor cooled, it wanted to turn back into liquid, but it needed to condense onto a surface.
The illusion provided cloud condensation nuclei, a surface for the water vapors to condense into tiny cloud droplets. The cloud swirled inside the jar due to the circulations of warm air rising and cold air sensing.
The next experiment is how to make a thunderstorm. Thunderstorm is always occur throughout the year, but it's always occur especially during the afternoon and evening, and also during the seasons of summer and springs. But what is the meaning of thunderstorms?
Thunderstorms are small-case severe weather events associated with frequent lightning, high winds, and heavy rainfall. So let's do an experiment about how to make a thunderstorm.
Wow, it sounds amazing.
Let's do it.
To do this experiment, we need to prepare a clean plastic container which is shoebox size, water, red food coloring, and ice cube made with blue food coloring. First, fill the plastic container with 2/3 full with water. Let the water sit for 1 minute. Next, place blue ice cube at one end of the plastic container. And add some of red food coloring to the water at the other end of the plastic container. Watch what happened. Wow, it is amazing, but why would it happen? The blue and cold water sinks while the red and warm water rises. This happens because of convection. The blue water represents the cold air mass and the red water represents the warm, unstable air mass. A thunderstorm is caused by unstable air and convection plays an important part. A body of warm air is forced to rise by an approaching cold front, therefore thunderstorms form. Now, are you understand about thunderstorm? Yes, thanks for explanation. This experiment is so easy and everyone can do it at home. Our last experiment is done.
That's all from us. We hope that everyone can learn something about weather.
The greenhouse effect, culture and the weather rises.
I would like to advise everyone to decrease the using of aircon and use public transport. It is because the using of aircon and public transport will release carbon dioxide, which will trap the heat. Besides, governments should also tighten the law to avoid illegal hunting.
Let's protect our environment from now onwards for our better future.